Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorial how to add objects. So as example, I will open this example floor plans, and if you want to add objects into this floor plans, you can go to file, click on import, and then open your FreeCAD file. Like I will open this file, click open, and it will be shown in the second lines for the object. So we have the floor plan and then small single bed. Now you can move this file, this data from small single bed into the floor plan by click hold, and then you can drag into the 2D floor plan like this. You can click and then drop into this floor plan. So to be moved into the 2D floor plan data, and you can close from this file by clicking at this X button, and you can click discard. So to be add the small single bed like these objects, and you can click move tools to move the objects, or you can rotate these objects, okay, by using rotate tools. But first you need to select the object and then use the rotate tools. So it will be rotate the object like this. Okay, that's it for a basic FreeCAD tutorial how to add objects. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.